G'day, Stu from UAV Futures here, and today, well, welcome back to another episode of UAV Features. Now, what these are bonus episodes, bonus content for you guys, where we look at some things that are different to FPV racing drones, because that's our norm. On these bonus UAV Features episodes, you know, we've looked at planes, 3D printers, electric skateboards, hovercrafts, and today we're back at it with the little Tomahawk. I'll link this down below. Shout out to Hobby King because they sent me this one. But what we're going to be doing is putting it through its paces and finding out how much fun a beginner like me can have with an FPV wing. Now, I know in the past we had some disaster when Jono tried to launch his Wingman Jono. I'll put a link up there to my last plane video as well. Hang on, no. But this one, it should be a bit quicker. It's made to rock on 4S, and I want to put some streamers on there and have some combat, get some wing chasing, a whole bunch of fun with this stuff, because I feel like our drone racing hobby and the FPV equipment, you've got most of the stuff there anyway. It's very easy to jump over and get into an FPV wing. So what we're going to be doing in this video, it's a little bit different because it's a UAV Features one. I'm not going to be sticking it on the bench because, to be honest, what am I going to be telling you? My expertise when it comes to these wings is zip. There is not too much whatsoever. So we're going to jump out of the field. Wingman Jono, he's going to tell us a little bit about it, why he likes it, what he thinks about it, and then the fun stuff. We'll have a fly around, put some streamers on it, chase it, do a bit of combat, and let's put its durability to the test. So, enough rambling here in the studio. Let's go have some fun with a wing in 3, 2, 1, zoop! Rightio, Wingman Jono, do my job for me, because look, for me reviewing a wing, I don't know too much what I'd be talking about, but what's your thoughts on the Tomahawk? What makes it special? What would you change? How to go together? All that sort of stuff. So let's have a bit of a chat and then we'll fly it around.
One of the cool things about this guy is the size. It's quite a small one. Every time. Yeah. So it's quite a small wingspan, as you see, which makes it good for like smaller parks and stuff like that. It should be nice and maneuverable. One of the other cool things, it's a molded EPO, so it's all a unibody like piece. So it's not like if you saw with a Tech one, we accidentally split in half because the wings come off. This one here is all just one solid piece. It is. So
do you think it's going to hold up well in crashes, this size, or?
Given that it's a molded EPO, yeah, they tend to be quite sturdy. As you see, there's not a lot of flex and stuff like that. It'll take a hit. If we run it right into a tree, we might split it in half. But the great thing about the foam wings and stuff like that is like glue, hot glue and tape. You can fix it all with hot glue and tape.
And we've got FPV in here as well?
Yeah, we've got FPV. So this is one of the cool things about it, as well as it's actually got a nice fuselage here, and all the parts are like basically contained within the fuselage. A lot of wings you have to you have to put the like VTX and stuff out on the wing because there's not enough space in this central area to like deal with it. Yeah, we're going to put a 1000 milliamp 4S battery in there. Should make it really quick. Right. Yeah, but yeah, it's got some nice little parts in there. Like it's got a nice little molded bay to fit your run cams or your Foxeer cameras, stuff like that. It comes with all the necessary parts for flight, like pre-installed. So you have your ESC, your motor, or your servos. Sorry, all your servos are all in there pre-installed. The motor's all put on.
Bank and yank as well. Same controls.
Yeah, same controls as the last one.
All right. Is it going to go fast?
This one here, yeah, I reckon it's going to go fast. We've got a 2206 size motor on there with a 4-cell. That's it's a pretty hefty size motor for a wing this small, so we'll see how it goes.
All right, let's do it. I can't wait to fly it around and hopefully not crash it. Shall we do it?
Yeah, we'll do it.
Let's have some fun. Ready for the wing launch, Jono?
Yep. It's not quite trimmed yet, so we're going to throw it up, see if we can get it up. And hopefully I'll trim it a bit in the air, get it nice and stable, and yeah, it'll be rock and roll. So this time we're going to launch it off this way. We are, just because there's a bit of a breeze coming in this way. Launching into the wind means you don't need quite as much gusto to get the lift that you need, so we'll throw it into that. Also,
is it going to crash, Trevor?
When you fly it, yes.
When, Jono, right now, is it going to fly for more than 5 seconds?
Well, I've seen Jono take off, so no.
Yep.
You still awake? All right, Jono, so how are we going so far? What's happened?
I'll tell you what, we'd be doing pretty well if we didn't have that menace Stu flying around with us, that's for
so
sure.
I've clipped you twice. I don't think that last one was so much my fault though.
I turned a little bit into you, yeah, baby. All right, so look, okay, we got a few things that are like a little bit busted here. We got our we've lost our little control horn there.
Yep.
So a little bit of glue, that'll fix that. We got to find our
Piece of foam.
Yeah, we got to find a bit of foam there.
For whatever you call these things.
And then we've cracked a shell under here, a bit of tape. You know what? Like all the other wings, that's repairable. We'll be able to fix that. We'll be able to get it up. I don't have glue here right now, so.
Trevor, can you sum up how's this wing? How's this wing now? All right. So yeah. No more wing action today with this bad boy.
Oh, if I duck around a corner of Bunnings,
nah, we're not doing that, mate. We're gonna fly some drones. Yeah. All right, nice. Let's see what happens another time. Look what he did, Trevor. He's just running right into me. We'll put the replay in. Tell me who's at fault right here.
Stu. Yes, Stu.
It's Stu. It's always, how many wings has Stu killed now?
That's right.
Yeah, he's got a reputation.
It's always Stu.
Reputation for killing wings.
All right.
Jeez, you really up, Stu.
All right, this is sort of take two because someone flew into the wing and broke it last time. But we're out here again with the Tomahawk, Jono. You've flown around a bit. Today, I'm gonna give it a go. The wind is okay. We might not get it back. What do you not like about it?
What do I not like about this guy? The thing that bothers me the most is the probably the plastic front shell there. It's kind of meant for protection, but when we had our little mishap, that was the first part to break on the last one. So yeah, that part probably could just be all solid foam and it would probably protect just as good.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, should we put it up and rip it around?
Yeah.
Okay, do you reckon I'm gonna lose it?
No, it's pretty good. I reckon you'd be right. You did really good for your last week.
I feel very uncomfortable. There's a lot more space though previously, so
You're
I'll
right.
have to
We're
see.
just gonna throw it into the wind and you're just gonna have to hook it up there.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, what's the controls again?
Okay, so remember you've
I
got
got throttle,
yeah.
no yaw.
So no yaw.
You bank and yank, right?
Yeah,
you
so
bank.
remember if you want to turn, you've got to tilt it off.
Yep.
And then you got to pull back.
Okay.
You do? Yeah?
You got that, Stu?
No.
This is going to be good.
Yeah, this could
And
be good.
You did really well last time.
Oh,
I reckon you're going to do good.
I'm nervous.
This thing's same thing, just a little bit zippier.
Okay.
It is. So you can throttle on when you want to, and I'm just going to throw you. Go! Oh!
Well, I heard it. What happened, Stu? Stu, talk to me. What happened?
Pilot error. Let's send Jono over to get it. Okay, impressions.
I reckon you left an impression in the tree there, Stu.
Yeah, you know what? It was going straight for these things. I don't know if you watched it. It was going straight for it, and then I just failed. I tried to pull it back. I did pull it back as much as I could, but
Stu,
maybe
you were going for everything except air.
Oh, we should have been launching that way. But that's probably best because it was gone. It was gone. And maybe, look, I don't know. I'm going to say it felt a little bit nose heavy. Maybe I needed more throttle. I don't think that was my mistake. I don't even know from an amateur.
I reckon you needed control. That's
yeah.
More control.
Okay, what we'll do, I obviously can't fly this one. Let's get Jono up there. We'll fly around, get some footage of me chasing him, and then we'll see what Jono, who flies this a lot more, thinks about it once he's had a bit more of a fly. All right. But for me flying it, I don't think this is the right environment. We are going to lose that because it was out of control. How'd it hand up? How'd it hold up? Is it broken?
It's seen better days.
Oh, I broke it. What did I do?
What's hanging off?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Is that part important, Stu?
This part?
Yeah.
So what happens? What happens if I throttle now?
It'll still go.
Joking.
So yeah, we snapped the motor mount off it. That's broke pretty good, but
I reckon we can just tape that up with a lot of tape right now, right?
Yep. I reckon so. We're gonna do a test on how field repairs go with wings, and we're gonna get the tape and we're gonna tape it up, and I'm gonna make Stu crash it again.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, you're gonna fly it next. We need to at least see it flying. So
I got the hot glue gun.
this is how we.
Disconnect the battery really quickly.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Yep. Let's disconnect that guy. All right. While we're working with the motor, and we're gonna tuck him in. Oh, this works even better with a hot glue gun. The good thing about foam planes is that when they break, you can just glue them back together again, and it's really just not an issue at all. Start taping.
Unless you let Stu fly it.
Yeah, I don't think that's your problem. If you let me fly it.
All right. Oh, pro field repair. Look at this. I'm gonna even him out a little bit. He's getting tucked up there. Here we go. You got it? Woo! Yeah, that'll be good.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome.
Yeah. I would shift the battery forward a bit. That's good.
Hang on, hang on.
Just use the whole roll, Sid.
We've got a bit of a crack down this wing.
Yeah, no, that's fine. That's just where the prop chopped into it.
All right.
Yeah.
So, there we go. Repaired,
Yep, that's good. We'll do it.
ready to roll. You're flying this one though, Jono?
Yeah, all right. We'll see how it flies after a crash. That was a pretty big hit, man.
Well, I'm actually really grateful that tree's there because I'm going to say I had zero control.
Just let me do a pre-checks on it. Just make sure everything's working properly. Ooh. No, hold on. Yeah. No,
What's it doing?
I think we've just popped one of the bullet connectors off the motor, which is a real easy fix.
Jono, it's not we.
It's Jono.
It's Stu.
Trevor.
Stu has popped one of the bullet connectors off the motor, which is just really easy. Plug it back in, which is just a matter of getting that plug, and we should stick that back in like that, and then our throttle should work. It's looking pretty good. Flaps are good.
Flaps are good.
I reckon we're good to go. I'm just going to tuck it all back in, real quick and rough now. See how quick we can get it up and going. Throttle on.
Yep. You tell me when.
Go.
So that's how you do it.
It's a little bit rough, I'll tell you that.
It's pretty quick.
Yeah, it is very quick. Oh, it's flying rough now after that crash, I'll tell you what. But I can still fly it, so that's a thing.
It's actually in the air. You're flying it. What's it like after that repair?
After that crash, it's rough, I won't lie. It was definitely a lot better when it wasn't crashed.
When you didn't have the duct tape repair?
The first few runs were very nice and smooth on it. Wasn't super choppy or anything like that. Now with the wind and all those crazy repairs and stuff, it's very choppy. But good thing, this small unit, man, it's just got so much gas with that motor on it. It's got a really big motor and it just takes off when you punch that throttle. It does. No, I'm starting to get the hang of it now. I reckon I could trim this and get this flying 100% again with a bit of glue instead of tape. I reckon we could have it going 100%.
All right. I'm going to go up and chase you around, all right?
Yeah.
Quite a small one.